Package tour quotation. This is one of the most important module. Quick customer quotation is always leads for inquiry conversion ratio and client satisfaction. In the iTools, it is very handy, so you can create multiple quotations for one inquiry or the client within a minute and send quotation from the system itself. So let's start. So here you can create quotation in two ways, from package quotation or inquiry itself. So here you can create the quick quotation. The selected inquiry details is auto reflected. Next, select the destination. The created packages is reflected into these sections. You can select which is required. The most important is, as per the client requirement, you can modify the device itineraries. You can add a number of days, you can modify the number of days, you can change the meal plans, change inclusions, exclusions accordingly. Next, here you can upload the device images or the sight scene images. This is not mandatory. Next, here you can add all travel and stay informations like train informations with round trip, flight information like city name, sector from, city to, sector, which airline you are providing, class, departure date with time and arrival date with time. Round trip from here, cruise informations, hotel informations. The hotel details will reflect from package tours from the master table. You can just select the room categories. Transport details is also reflected from master tables. Excursions, here you can add the paid sightseeing if any. Next, costing. If you receive the costing from DMC, means the whole land cost, you can add it from here. Or if you work with individuals like hotel, transfers, activity, you can add it individually. You see, this is hotel cost, transfer cost, activity cost. Here you can add the markup either in a percentage or flat markup. So let's add in percentage. Taxations. So this is your land cost. Here you can add the transfer and other costing details like train cost, flight cost, cruise cost, visa cost, guide cost and miscellaneous cost. Here you can add per person costing like adult cost, child cost, infant cost, child with bed, without bed cost and extra bed cost. So the admin can decide or the sales team can decide whether we need to send the costing in group costings or the per person costing. Price structure. If you made any calculations in Excel file or the supplier details in the Excel file to create these quotations, you can just upload for your references and save. The quotation is ready into the system. Now you can send this quotation to the customer in a multiple ways. So first is PDF. So this PDF you can download and send to the customer from the email. Now we'll check the PDF details of the content. quotation number, tour name, quotation date, duration, total guest, price, customer details, flight details, hotel details, transfer details, activity details. In the day-wise itineraries, sightseeing image of day 1, special attraction of day 1, detailed program, overnight stay and meal plan. So this is your day-wise itineraries. Inclusion in the tours, exclusion in the tours, terms and conditions, total guest, costing details like tour cost, tax, travel cost and total quotation cost. Your bank details from master tables. Here your company logo will be changed and similarly your company details will be changed, which is reflect from master tables again. You can save it and send. Second option is you can directly send this quotation on email as well as on the WhatsApp. So just select the quotation and send. For the WhatsApp, new window will be open. The ready message will be there. You can modify as per your requirement and send. Third, if you need to create some amendment into the same quotation or same quotation you need to send to another clients, just create a copy of this quotation. Yes, here you can see the replica of this quotation is created with number change. You can modify this quotation as per the new client requirement of the same client amendment and send it once again. Next option is if the same quotation is confirmed and sales team need to inform to the operational teams or the accounts, he will just click on send, enter the back office or the account team email ID and send it. So the operational team get know what are the hotels we have finalized, what are the activity we have closed, which flights we need to provide, etc. Then you can edit the quotation from here and view the quotation from these sections. Here are different types of filters: date wise filters, booking type wise filters, packages wise, quotation wise. Also you can filter by branch and directly customer details you can search from these sections. So this is all about the package tour quotation creation.